Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Gnan-Manjari Vidyapith Mahua. We are discussing about subject account, chapter number 1 of part 1, that is introduction to partnership. In last lecture we have discussed about the example number 8 to 11 and one sum from the exercise. Today we will start a second sum from the exercise, main question number 3, sum number 2, page number 30. Main question number 3 and sum number 2. Amruta and Divya are the partners of a firm. Their capital ratio is 3:2. Capital ratio is equal to 3:2. Amruta is to be paid 8% commission on net profit. 8% commission on net profit. After deduction of such commission, what amount will be received by Amruta if the profit of the year is equal to 96,876. This is the question given in sum number 2, that Amruta and Divya are the partners. Amruta અને દિવ્યા બે પાર્ટનર છે. એનો કેપિટલ રેશિયો આપ્યો છે. જો અહીંયા અગેન કેપિટલ રેશિયો છે, પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ રેશિયો આપેલો નથી. મીન્સ કે પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ રેશિયો કેવો થઈ જશે? ઇક્વલ થઈ જાય. તો પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ રેશિયો is 1:1 and total profit is given 96,876. From this profit we have to find first of all 8% commission, and the second question is what amount will be received by Amruta. So Amruta will receive commission, 8% commission plus profit also he will receive of his part. So first of all we will calculate commission. So commission is equal to profit into rate of commission divided by 100 plus. Here why we are adding plus? Because it is on net profit. If commission of profit, જો અહીંયા on છે, net profit, on net profit એટલે અહીંયા એડ થાય, અને જો ઓફ પ્રોફિટ હોય તો એ એડ થાય નહીં. એટલે અહીંયા પ્લસ રેટ ઓફ કમિશન. Now profit is equal to 96,876 into rate of commission is 8 divided by 100 plus 8. Answer will be 96,876 into 8 divided by 108. This is the answer. Now by multiplying and dividing we will get answer 7176. Commission will be 7176. This commission will received by Amruta. This commission will be received by Amruta. Now this commission is included in profit. So first of all we have to deduct this commission from the profit. Now profit after commission is equal to 96,876 minus 7176. by subtracting, we will get answer 89700. This is the profit after commission. This profit after commission will be distributed among the partner in their profit and loss sharing ratio. And in this question, profit and loss sharing ratio is equal. So both partner will receive equal share from this profit. Now we are discussing and we have to find only the profit and amount received by Amruta. So Amruta's share of profit is equal to, total profit is 89700 divided by 2, because share is equal and two partners are there. So profit of or Amruta's share will be 44,850. 44,850 will be the profit received by each partner. Now Amruta will receive profit and also Amruta will receive a commission. So total amount received by Amruta, total amount received by Amruta is equal to profit, that is 44,850 plus commission. Commission is 7176. Answer, total amount will be received by Amruta will be 52,026 rupees will be received by Amruta. આપણે જે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કર્યું એવા બધા જ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે જોઈ ગયા. સેમ એક્ઝામ્પલ છે પણ એગેન રિવિઝન થાય અને જે ડાઉટ રહી ગયા હોય એ ડાઉટ ક્લિયર થાય એટલા માટે આપણે પાછું આને આજ રિપીટ કરીએ છીએ, મતલબ સમ એજ મેથડના રિપીટ કરીએ છીએ. એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈ ગયા, હવે એવા સમ. તો આમાં આપણને કમિશન આપ્યું હતું, પ્રોફિટ આપ્યું હતું. પહેલાં આ બે ઉપરથી કમિશન ફાઇન કરી લીધું અને કમિશનને માઇનસ કરતાં આપણી પાસે જે પ્રોફિટ હતો એ પ્રોફિટને બે પાર્ટનર વચ્ચે ઇક્વલી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કર્યો. હવે ઇક્વલી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ થઈ ગયા પછી અમૃતાને એનો શેર જેટલો મળતો હતો એ પ્લસ એને પ્રોફિટ જે મળતું હતું એ પ્રોફિટ, આ બે આપણે પ્લસ કર્યું એટલે એને અમૃતાને ટોટલ એમાઉન્ટ છે એ 52,026 રૂપીસ ટોટલ એમાઉન્ટ એને મળે છે. આ હતો સમ નંબર 2. નાવ સમ નંબર 3. Sum number 3 of question number 3. Vismay, Abhijit and Kunal are partner sharing profit and loss in the ratio of proportion of 3:2:4. Profit and loss ratio is equal to 3:2:4. Manager is to be paid 10% commission on profit, but after deduction of his such share. The share of profit of Abhijit is 30,000. Share of Abhijit is equal to 30,000. Then determine the commission of manager. We have to find commission and share of managers will be given as a મેનેજર ઇઝ ટુ બી પેડ 10% કમિશન. અહીંયા આપણને પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ રેશિયો 3:2:4 આપ્યો છે અને શેર ઓફ અભિજીત આપ્યો છે 60. તો શેર ઓફ અભિજીત ઉપરથી આપણે પહેલાં ટોટલ પ્રોફિટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવો પડે, કારણ કે કમિશન છે એ ટોટલ પ્રોફિટ ઉપર જ મળે. તો આ આપણે એ શીખી ગયા હતા કે શેર ઓફ અભિજીત છે એ સેકન્ડ પાર્ટનર છે. સો અહીંયા આપણે લખીએ તો 3 પાર્ટનર્સ આર વિસ્મય, second one is Abhijit, and third one is Kunal. Abhijit second partner and his share is 2. So we have studied that to find total profit of the firm, total share of profit or total ratio will be multiplied and share of partner will be divided. So we will find that total profit is equal to share of partner into total share. Here we can write also profit of partner, total share divided by share of partner. Here profit of partner is already given 30,000 into total share 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9. So total share is 9 divided by share of partner. Share of partner means whose profit is given here? Abhijit, and Abhijit is the second partner and second partner share is 2. So it will be divided by 2. Now by dividing and multiplying we will get answer 1,35,000 as a total profit. So first of all we have calculated total profit and from this profit we will find manager commission. Now manager commission is equal to total profit into rate of commission divided by 100. Now total profit is 1,35,000 into rate of commission is 10% and divided by 100. The answer will be 13,500. This is the answer of question number 3. By calculating total profit and by multiplying with the rate of commission we will get the answer of commission. Again reminder, why we are not adding this here a plus rate of commission here? Why? Because it is already given in a question that commission is been not calculated and we have to give it. It is not given to partner. That's why it is only divided by 100. Now sum number 4. Question 3, sum number 4. The profit and loss ratio of Rajkumar, Kaushik and Sharma is 15:10:9. Profit and loss ratio is equal to 15:10:9. The total profit of the year is 68,000. Profit is 68,000 and determine the share in the profit of each partner. Here simple answer is there and simple question is there. Profit is given, profit and loss ratio is given. We have to just distribute this profit among the partner. That is the simple one. Now let us see about, first of all, share of Rajkumar or profit of Rajkumar is equal to profit 68,000 into Rajkumar share is 15 divided by total share is 34. How 34? 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 9 is equal to 34. So answer will be, profit of Rajkumar will be 30,000. By multiplying and by calculating we will get answer 30,000. Second partner is Rajkumar and then Kaushik. Profit of Kaushik is equal to, total profit is 68,000 into his share is 10 divided by 34. So answer will be 20,000. And third one is profit of Sharma is equal to 68,000 into share is 9 and total share is 34. So answer will be 18,000. This is the answer of sum number 4. Only we have to distribute a profit among the partners. Now sum number 5. Sum number 5. Mehta received his share 4 times of Pandya. Mehta received received 4 times of Pandya. 4 times share of Pandya. Second line is, while Bajpai received half of share of Mehta. Bajpai half share of Mehta. If profit of the firm at the end of the year is 87,500, profit is given, profit is equal to 87,500. Then we have to calculate, determine the share in the profit of the each partner. We have to find, we have to distribute profit among the each of the partner. For that we have to first of all find profit and loss sharing ratio. અહીંયા આપણને બે જ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપી છે. એ બે જ ઇન્ફોર્મેશનના બેઝ ઉપર આપણે ત્રણે ત્રણ પાર્ટનર્સનો પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ શેરિંગ રેશિયો ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો અને આ જે પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ શેરિંગ રેશિયો મળે એમાં આપણે આ પ્રોફિટને ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કરી દેવાનો છે. તો અહીંયા આપણને જો કીધું મહેતા રિસીવ 4 times શેર ઓફ પંડ્યા, મીન્સ કે પંડ્યાનો જેટલો શેર હશે એના કરતાં મહેતાને 4 times મળશે. જેટલો પંડ્યાનો શેર એની કરતાં મહેતાને 4 times મળશે. સો સપોઝ પંડ્યા શેર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 2. Pandya's share is equal to 2. We are assuming Pandya's share is 2. You can assume any share 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want you can assume. Here we are assuming Pandya's share is equal to 2. Now on the base of this, therefore Mehta's share is equal to, Mehta received 4 times share of Pandya. That means share of Pandya is 2 into 4 times is equal to 8. And last, Bajpai received half share of Mehta. Therefore, Bajpai's share is equal to, Bajpai received half of the share of Mehta. Share of Mehta is 8 into half. Half means 1 divided by 2. So his share will be 4. So this will be the profit and loss ratio is equal to 2:8:4. By we can take by common. 2 is the common. So 1:4:2. Or we can take this ratio also. The answer will be same. Now this profit 87,500 profit will be distributed in this ratio. Now first of all we will calculate profit of Pandya. Profit of Pandya is equal to total profit is 87,500 into Pandya's share is 2 and total share will be 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 4 14. So answer will be, Pandya's share will be 12,500. Second one, profit of Mehta is equal to, total profit is 87,500 into Mehta's share is 8 divided by 14. So by multiplying and by calculating, Mehta's share will be received 50,000. Last one is Bajpai's share. Profit of Bajpai. Profit is 87,500 into his share is 4 divided by 14. So their answer will be 25,000. So this is the answer of question number 5. પહેલાં આપણે આમાં શું કર્યું તો કે અહીંયા આપણે કોઈ પણ એક મહેતાને પંડ્યા કરતાં મળે છે, એટલે પંડ્યાના જ બેઝ બનાવવો પડે, કારણ કે પંડ્યા કરતાં મહેતાને વધારે મળે કે ટાઈમ્સ મળે છે, એટલે પંડ્યાના શેરને બેઝ બનાવ્યો અને એનો શેર આપણે કેટલો લઈ લીધો? 2 લઈ લીધો. તો એની કરતાં મહેતાને 4 ટાઈમ્સ મળે છે, તો પંડ્યા કરતાં મહેતાને 4 ટાઈમ્સ, એટલે મહેતા શેર ઇઝ 2, his share is 2 into 4 times એટલે 4. And Bajpai received half share of Mehta. So Mehta's share is 8 and half is equal to 2. And this is the profit and loss sharing ratio, 2:8:4. And in this ratio we are distributing profit. Profit is 87,500 and it will be distributed in their ratio 2:8:4. That is into 2 divided by 14. Second one into 8 divided by 14. Third one into 4 divided by 14. So this is the answer of sum number 5. Now let's start sum number 6. Sum number 6. Profit of the partnership firm of Sheila, Surbi and Sanket is 1,35,000. Profit is equal to 1,35,000. They have shared profit in the ratio of 2:1:3 instead of 3:2:3. That means here by mistake it is shared in 2:1:3. ભૂલથી 2:1:3 માં ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ થઈ ગયો. મીન્સ ઇટ ઇઝ અ રોંગ રેશિયો. ઇન્સ્ટેડ ઓફ 3:2:3. That is the correct ratio. So here wrong ratio is equal to 2:1:3 and correct ratio is equal to 3:2:3. What accounting treatment is to be given to the capital account to rectify this error? આ કરેક્ટ રેશિયોમાં પ્રોફિટ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કરવાનો હતો પણ બાય મિસ્ટેક રોંગ રેશિયોમાં ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ થઈ ગયો. તો આની રેક્ટિફિકેશન એન્ટ્રી શું આવે, કેપિટલ એકાઉન્ટમાં ક્યાં ઇફેક્ટ પડે, એ ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે પૂછેલો છે. તો એની માટે શું કરવાનું, તો કે એની માટે પહેલાં આપણે કરેક્ટ રેશિયોમાં ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કરી દેવાનું, પછી પાછું એને રોંગ રેશિયોમાં ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કરી દેવાનું, અને એ રેશિયોનું જ્યારે ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન થઈ જાય પછી એ બેનો ડિફરન્સ કાઢવાનો. અને ડિફરન્સમાંથી આપણે શીખી ગયા જે એમાઉન્ટ માઇનસ હશે એ એમાઉન્ટને આપણે શું કરી દેવાની, એ પાર્ટનર્સ કેપિટલને ડેબિટ કરી દેવાના, અને ઓલાના જે પ્લસ હશે એના પાર્ટનર્સ કેપિટલને કરી દેવાના ક્રેડિટ. આવું શું કામ કરીએ, તો કે જે પાર્ટનરનો માઇનસ આવ્યો મીન્સ કે એની પાસેથી આપણે એમાઉન્ટ પાછી લેવી પડશે કારણ કે એને વધારે એમાઉન્ટ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ થઈ ગઈ, અને જેનો પ્લસ મતલબ એને આટલા પૈસા પાછા આપણે આપવાના છે. સો ઇટ વિલ બી ગિવન એઝ. એન્ડ નાઉ વી વિલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટેડ એકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ધ ટેબલ પર્ટિક્યુલર 3 partners name, that is Sheila, Surbi and Sanket. Particular Sheila, Surbi and Sanket. These are the 3 partners sharing profit in wrong ratio also, in correct ratio. Now first of all we will distribute in correct ratio. Profit distributed in correct ratio. Correct ratio is 3:2:3. Total profit is 1,35,000 and it will be distributed among Sheila, Surbi and Sanket. Now first one for Sheila, that means 1,35,000 into 3 and total share is 8. So divide by 8. By dividing we will get answer 56,625. Second one is we are writing calculation also here. So here first of all Sheila 1,35,000 into 3 divided by 8. Answer will be 56,625. Second one is Surbi is equal to 1,35,000 into 2 divided by 8. Answer will be 33,450. And third one is Sanket 1,35,000 into 3 divided by 8. So answer will be 50,625. 50,625. This is the distributions of profit in a correct ratio. Now same way we have to distribute this profit in a wrong ratio. Profit distributed in wrong ratio. Wrong ratio is 2:1:3. Profit will be same. Profit 1,35,000. Now 1,35,000 into 2 divided by total share will be 6. So Sheila's answer will be 45,000. Second one, Surbhi 1,35,000 into 1 divided by 6. Answer will be 22,500. And third one, 3 divided by 6. So answer will be 6. So first of all we have distribute this profit in the correct ratio. Now we have to distribute this profit in a wrong ratio. So wrong ratio is 2:1:3. Now total profit is 1,35,000. First partner wrong ratio is 2 into 2 divided by 6. That will be the answer 45,000. Second partner Surbhi, total profit is 1,35,000 into his share is 1 and total share is 6. So their answer will be 22,500. And third, Sanket profit sharing ratio wrong ratio is 3 and total share will be 6. So her answer will be 67,500. Now we have distribute both amount in both ratios, that means in correct ratio also and also in the wrong ratio. Now we have to take difference from this amount. So difference amount will be difference amount is equal to 56,625 divided by minus 45. By subtracting we will get answer 5625. That will be in plus. 56,000 minus 45,000 is equal to 56,000. Now second one is 33,450 minus 22,500. Answer will be plus 11,250. And third, 50,625 minus 67,500. So answer will be minus 16,875. So this is the difference amount of the partner. Now from difference amount we can see that Sheila's answer difference amount is plus, Surbhi's answer difference amount is plus, and Sanket difference amount answer is minus. So these two partners capital account will be credited and Sanket capital account will be debited as it is in a negative answer or a negative digit. So rectification entry will be Sanket capital account debit to Sheila's capital account and to Surbhi's capital account. Amount will be debited 16,875. Sheila's capital account credited 5625 and Surbhi's capital account will be debited 11,250. This is the answer, or this is the rectification entry of sum number 6. Here we have discussed first distributed in correct ratio profit, and then we have distributed this profit in the wrong ratio, and by distributing we have taken difference amount. Two partners difference amount is positive and one difference amount is negative. So according to the rules, or according to the account, negative account will be debited and positive account will be credited. Why? Because according to the ratio distribution, we can see that Sanket are entitled to receive 50,625 profit, but instead of this he is received 67,500. So he received more than the profit. So firm will take back 16,875 amount back from the સંકેત. સંકેતને વધારે પ્રોફિટ અપાઈ ગયો. આપવાનો હતો 50,625 અને એ કેટલો એને અપાઈ ગયો 67,500. સો જે ડિફરન્સ એમાઉન્ટ હતી 16,875 will be taken back from the સંકેત, and this amount will be given to the both the partners Sheila and Surbhi in their profit and loss sharing. So students, today we have discussed about the sum exercise sum number 2 to 6. That means 5 sum we have discussed. In homework you have to write this sum 2 times and revise at home once again. Next lecture we will start from sum number 7. Thank you very much.